Alright, so let's get some more shapes. Okay, using the predefined shapes. So this time I'm gonna make a moon, like the half moon. So select the full circle. Just hold down your shift key to make a complete circle. Okay, and if you want to do it a half, then you can use this tool. Okay, so just decrease its shape, just like to make it a oval. Oh, it's very little, but we want a circle. Okay, and now the fill is like the pink and stroke is none. Okay, and we're gonna fill this one. Okay, so this is my complete circle, and make it a straight shape there. Now make another circle like this. Okay, place it here, and now just hold down your control key, place your mouse here, click. Now select our clips that we rasterized. Now press the delete key. Okay, control D to deselect the layer, and now just delete our this object. So this is my shape. Now control T and rotate it to the 90 degree. Okay, and now flip horizontal. So you see this is my half moon. Okay, we're gonna call more than just we cut it from the half, and now we will create some stars. Okay, you can just create the stars also, and we also have a stars in this. So just find the stars. Okay, so yeah, this is my star. This place 3 here, and the stroke is none. The fill is to the color this one, or we'll fill it with the green color. Okay, now control J to make a similar height with stars like this. Okay, and now rasterize all three, and now just create some clouds. So we already have a shape for the cloud. Right, so this is my cloud shape. This is also my cloud shape, and I'm gonna use this one. Just create it, and now using the pen, the anchor, delete anchor tool, just delete this one. Okay, and now the direct selection, just make it to the like this, drag and drop. All right, and make it to the rasterize, and fill this color just using the brush tool. Okay, and the hardness is the, it's like the not the smooth, we want the sharp edges, the hard round. Increase its size, the brush size, you can increase the brush size from here, or you can use the bracket tool. Okay, now hold down your alt key, click here to select this color, and now just move it to the like this. All right, so here's my cloud, and change its color if you want. Just okay, I will make it a sky blue color. Okay, just like this. Control J to make another one like this. See, so working with shapes is really that much easy. We can do whatever we want using the shapes. We can cut the shape, we can change its size and shape, and we can change its the like the distortion, we can transform it. Okay, so you see just like this moon, just control T and distort, and just make it to the plane. So just like this, it's in the 2D plane. Okay, that is just lying on the x-axis. Or if you want to just you can just reduce the perspective to increase like this. So this is my perspective tool. All right, and just like the skew tool, you can just skew it like this, the 1 to 2, okay, 3 1 like this. You can change it's plane, just like it's the initial is in the xy plane, you can make it to the xz plane, the yz plane. You can move it the image whatever you want, but it will still in the 2D plane. Or you can just make it a, here's my wrap, that is the complete wrap. Okay, so you can just just change it like this. The figure within this plane, you can change whatever you want. The shape size is like this. You can wrap your figure like this. You can just, or if you want to, just tore it, then you can just tore, or you can do it like a multiple wrapping. You can just wrap it around, or wrap this. It's like in the xy plane, and you can wrap into the yz plane, and just decrease its height and width and change its shape to the irregular shape. So you can use the wrap. Okay, so this is my wrap tool, you see. Or the one thing that's just like I have stars. Okay, so just select the stars, right? So this is my star. Okay, and remove, just delete all these tools, these things. Yep. And now create a star one, and the another one is bigger. Okay, and okay, it's all rested in the one shape. So select this one, then again create a star like this. Okay, the upper, and again select this layer, again a new star like this. Okay, the same plane, and now select these two, make a control J copy, move them like this, control T and flip horizontal. Okay, so here I have a 5 stars. So just select all these 5, just rasterize layer, rasterize to 1, control T. Okay, wrap, and you can wrap it here. It's like the predefined option, just the arc. See, it's very easy to play with the shapes. Let's like this. There's the wrap again, and to the flag. Okay, wrap it to the like the fish. Okay, so let's like the squeeze, or to the arc upper. Okay, so you can change like this, and if you want to custom, then you can just select the custom one. So this is like the wrap things will work in the Photoshop. So all these things that we learned in this lecture is the playing with the shapes, or the transforming the predefined shapes into the another one, and we can define our own shapes and then transform it to the another shape.